Today is the fourth day of the massive search and rescue operation that had continued since Monday, when a group of miners got trapped inside a rat hole coal mine in Assam's Dima Hasao district. The area is very remote, almost close to the borders with Meghalaya in Umrangsu, which is in Dima Hasao district, and already one dead body has been recovered yesterday by Army Special Forces divers along with NDRF. The Navy, with its equipments like the ROV and other highly specialized equipment for this kind of operations, is operating there along with Army and NDRF. Massive mobilization has taken place. Government has accounted for 9 people, while there might be more trapped inside this coal mine, this rat hole coal mine, which the Assam government had claimed that it might be an illegal mine. The prima facie evidence shows this, and therefore one person has been arrested for running this illegal coal mine, while the opposition has targeted the government in terms of how this illegal coal mine could have operated. But for the government says right that at this moment the focus remains in terms of the relief, the rescue and the search operations. In fact, yesterday, since the mine is filled with water and about 100 feet, for the last 3 days, dewatering operations did take place with pumps from ONGC being brought in, but the water level in the mine is still very high, and therefore it is becoming challenging for the divers and for the rescuers to look for survivors or bodies. In fact, the shaft of the mine, which is at a depth of 310 feet, has been searched, and there has not been anything found there. Now one has to find the rat holes which run parallelly. These are small tunnels where people only crawl, and these tunnels can run up to 500 feet parallelly. So therefore these have to be checked, but the water is inside is very acidic and it's murky, so it's become very difficult. Therefore the focus now is to dewater the mines, and therefore one of the most advanced and most powerful dewatering pumps would be airlifted from Nagpur by Indian Air Force and brought to the location to speed up this operation, which is taking place at a massive, gigantic operation where all the 3 services are involved along with NDRF and the state forces.